Good morning, artists. Hi, everybody. We are going to start today with a rainbow because guess what? It's supposed to rain and then it's supposed to get really sunny. So today, on Monday, our very first day of virtual art camp, we might even see an actual rainbow. Let's get out our watercolors. You're going to see the watercolor ovals in your bag, and you can get out whatever colors you want. The watercolors will mix, so you don't have to use every single color in your rainbow. And if you'll notice, I don't have orange. Red and yellow mix to make orange, and I'm going to show you that on your paper. You're going to need a cup or a little bowl of water. So I'll wait a little bit of time right now for you to get a cup or a bowl of water. I would use an old cup or an old bowl because the paint water is going to get really dirty. You're also going to need paper towels. Paper towels or an old towel or an old rag to clean and dry your paintbrush. So I'm going to wait a little bit before we get started. Let's grab paper towels and let's grab a water cup or a little bowl for your water. Did you also find your paintbrush in the bag? Okay, here we go. I'm going to start with red. But boys and girls, when you're the artist, you get to pick whatever colors you want. Do you want to start your rainbow with green? It's totally up to you. I'm going to wet my brush first. And then swirl it around the paint. A rainbow is a curved line. So I'm going to make a curved line on my paper. If you notice, I ended up with hardly any paint on this side. So when I make my second line, I'm going to start on this side. If you want it darker, you can add one more layer. If that's good enough, stop there. Oh, there we go. Now I need to clean my brush. So tap, tap, tap on the bottom. And then dry, dry, dry on my paper towel or my cloth. I'm ready for my next color. Now I'm going to use yellow, but let's see if it mixes to make orange. If the paint is wet still, it will mix. Ooh, it's mixing. Oh, I ran out of paint, right? Oh, I love starting my day with painting. We hope you've been having a great summer. Have you been doing any art at home? Drawing? Any painting? Any chalk art outside? Now, if these don't mix all the way, you can go back in with a little bit of red. To make the orange, or maybe you don't want orange in your rainbow. There we go. I need to clean my brush. Tap, tap, tap on the bottom. Get all that paint out. Dry. So I have red, orange, yellow. Next would be green. Ooh, the yellow's even mixing with the green to make like a lime green. This is looking great. And then I need blue. Like I said, your rainbow can be whatever colors you want. Your rainbow can have 3 colors, 4 colors, 5 colors. You pick. You're the artist. If you'll notice, I left some space on the bottom. My rainbow doesn't touch the bottom. Maybe your rainbow touches the bottom. I'm going to go in at the end and add grass. Maybe at the end of your rainbow, there's a lake. My last color is purple. Maybe your rainbow's high in the sky. So maybe you'll paint a sky in the background of your rainbow. So I talked about that grass. So I'm going to need a little bit of green. And grass lines are vertical. Boys and girls, vertical lines go up and down, up and down, up and down. What else can we use the paint for in our background? There's so much empty space in the sky. Are you going to add birds when we're done? In your bags, we put colored pencils, we put crayons, we put neon crayons. Those are even brighter. We can't wait to see what you end up with. Is there a kite? Oh, maybe I'm gonna add a kite. I'm gonna add some yellow in the grass, because guess why? There's some brighter pieces of grass, right? There's some brighter pieces of grass shining through. And I think there's a kite in the sky. What shape is a kite? You're right, it's a diamond. A diamond has 4 sides. It's divided with those lines, vertical and horizontal. And don't forget the string. Now, before you add details in the middle, it has to dry a little bit. But we're gonna stop filming so you can finish your painting. Now, we gave you some ideas, but you can go ahead and finish it however you want. We can't wait to see when you're done.